Hi, today we are going to talk about order of operations, that is BIDMAS. B for brackets, I for indices, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. So when you have division and multiplication only in your question, you have to start this working from the left. For an example, 4 times 3 divided by 2. So here we have multiplication and division. We start from left. That means this first. So 4 times 3 you get 12 divided by 2. Now 12 divided by 2, that is 6. So when you have addition and subtraction only in your question, you have to start from left. It's like 4 subtract 2 and 3. So you start from left. Okay, 4 subtract 2, that is 2 and 3. 2 and 3, that is 5. First example, 10 subtract 4, division, within brackets 6 minus 4 times 3 squared, add 15. So according to BIDMAS, we have to do brackets first. So you have brackets here, that we have to do first. Brackets first. So I continue writing the others. 10 subtract 4, division, and I can simplify the bracket, that is 6 subtract 4, that is 2, multiply 3 squared, add 15. Now you can see here indices. So I write 10 subtract 4 divided by 2, multiply, and 3 to the power 2 is 9, add 15. Now according to BIDMAS, we have division here. So we have to do that. That means this. So I write 10 subtract, then 4 divided by 2, that is 2, multiply 9, add 15. Now according to BIDMAS, we have multiplication. So others I have to continue writing. 10 subtract 2 times 9, 18, and 15. Now we have only addition and subtraction, so you can do from left. So 10 subtract 18, that is negative 8, and 15. Negative 8 at 15, that is 7. Larger one is positive, so answer is 7. Example 2, 250 division, within brackets 8 times 5 subtract 35 to the power 2, division 5 and 20. So according to BIDMAS, we have to start from brackets. we have to start from bracket. So others I have to continue writing 250 division, and I have to simplify the bracket inside. So 8 times 5, that is 40, subtract 35 to the power 2, division 5 and 20. You can see still the brackets there, so I have to do bracket again. 250 division 40 subtract 35, that is 5 to the power 2, division 5 and 20. Now brackets, no brackets here, but we have indices, so that I have to do now. So 250 division 5 to the power 2, 25 division 5 and 20. Now you have divisions, 2 divisions and addition. So 2 divisions I start from left. So this one I'm going to do 250 divided by 25, that is 10 divided by 5 and 20. Now we have again division that we do first. So 10 divided by 5, that is 2, add 20. 2 add 20, that is 22. Example 3, it is fractions. So the line in a fraction acts like brackets. We have to separately simplify the denominators and numerators because they also have different signs. And finally you do this big division. I'm going to write the question again. Now if you consider this numerator, you can see here addition and multiplication. So there you have to do multiplication first. So 2 add 7 times 4, that is 28. So in the denominator you have brackets, so that you have to do first. That is 5 subtract 2, that is 3, 3 to the power 2, add 1. This division. Then we go to the other fractions numerator. It is 18 divided by 3 to the power 2. So we have indices. That first, 18 divided by 3 to the power 2, that is 9. In the denominator we have division and multiplication, so we have to start from left. So 12 divided by 3, that is 4 times 2. So in this fraction numerator it is 2 add 28, 2 add 28, that is 30. In the denominator we have indices, so 3 to the power 2, that is 9, 9, add 1, division. In this numerator it is 18 divided by 9, that is 2. Then denominator 4 times 2, that is 8. So numerator 30, 9 and 1, that is 10, division 2 over 8. Now these are fractions. We can check whether fractions can be simplified. Yes. 10 and 30, that is 10 times 1 and 10 times 3. Then this fraction, it is 2 times 1, 2 times 4. So I'm going to continue writing here, that is 3 over 1 divided by 1 over 4. It is 3 over 1 division into multiplication and the reciprocal. Reciprocal means switching denominator and numerator. So that is 4 over 1. Then we have two fractions, denominator, denominator, numerator, numerator, multiply. 1 times 1, 1, 3 times 4, 12. 12 over 1, that is 12. I hope you understood. See you in the next video.